Hello everybody, and welcome to our first ever recording of our Odoo Lunch app implementation. So here from Odoo, you're going to open up the Lunch app. Here we can see this is where we're going to create our lunch menus for the week, but there aren't any yet, so let's make a brand new one. First, looking at this view, we're going to select the week for our lunch app. So we'll select the 21st to the 25th. So we're going to be entering the lunch for this week. Our soup this week is a lovely cold watermelon gazpacho. And we want our survey to be open for 5 days. So we're done configuring this record. Now we're going to add the meals throughout the week. So for Monday, we're going to be serving a delicious baked chicken entree. And here we have a field for emoji. I won't demonstrate this for every meal this week, but if you search chicken emoji, copy, and paste it in here, this will actually show up on our menu later. For entree description, we'll have a lovely baked chicken meal. And then for allergen information, this is actually a tag field, so we can select this meal will contain chicken and nightshades, and if we're topping this with cilantro, we can type in a new one that we don't have yet and click create. We can also provide vegan or vegetarian alternatives, so we'll provide a seasoned tofu for anyone who can't eat meat. We can do save and new and progress throughout the week and add meals for every single day this week. So on Tuesday, we'll have a delicious Tuesday bake with nightshades. But this meal is vegan or vegetarian. We don't need to provide any info. On Wednesday, we'll have some vegetable pasta. With vegetables. On Thursday, we'll have barbecue ribs. Oven-baked ribs. I'm not sure if they even make ribs that way. Vegan vegetarian alternative, tofu ribs. And on Friday, we're taking it easy with some oven-baked cod. A lot of baked goods this week. And that, of course, has fish. Our alternative is always tofu. Save and close. And now we can save, and you can see we have all of our meals here. The next thing we're going to do, once we've configured all of our meals, is click Create Poll. Now what this is going to do is it's going to send a message to a pre-configured Discord channel with the lovely menu that we just created. It'll ping everybody. It'll provide the week that the menu's active for, tell the soup of the week. Here's the chicken emoji we entered earlier. But it'll provide all of the meal information and the allergens and vegan alternatives for the whole week. Also, what the bot will do is provide a list of emojis to react with for days that you'll be eating vegan. So if I'll be attending Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but not Friday, I'm working from home. But if I need the vegan alternative on Thursday for the ribs, I can react with the tangerine emoji. And hopefully some other people will react too, so we can see some interesting data. Look at that. Looks like everyone's working from home on Friday. We have a fellow vegan on Monday and Tuesday. Now, once we think we've had some time to fill out the survey, during day-to-day, we would run this on a cron, but since we're on a shorter time frame, we have a button to read the poll results. And all of these will get pulled over here into Odoo, so we can see on Monday, 3 people will be eating, on Tuesday 2, Wednesday 2, and on Thursday 3. You can see, for example, on Monday, we have 1 vegan or vegetarian and 2 non-vegans or vegetarians. There's very little configuration that's necessary for all of this to work. Just one Discord bot record. We have a client secret, please don't steal mine. A server ID, which is just right-click on the server, copy server ID. And a channel ID, which is just right-click on the channel and copy the channel ID. And that's the long and short of our Lunch app solution. Thank you.